Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really brief video sharing my new air purifier by Molekule. That is Molekule with a K, as you can see by the title. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do fashion, luxury, beauty, lifestyle videos like these. And if you aren't new, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again. Let's move on to the review. So, I did get my Molekule air purifier. If I look to the left at any point through this video, it's because I'm trying to get accurate information from Amazon on what it is, its features, etc. It is a large, I know that. It's called the Molekule Air Large Room Air Purifier, and it has PECO technology for allergens, pollutants, viruses, bacteria, and mold. And it is silver. They have several other different ones you can choose from. You don't have to get one this big. This one covers a 600 square foot room. Up to a 600 square foot room, so it covers a lot of space. So it has an app that you can install and sync with the actual device, which is pretty cool. And you can't hear it now, but it is on. I have it on silent mode. I also love that. So in the event that I want to purify my air and clear the pollutants and dog dander or whatever, even though there's not much of that because Tyson's pretty hypoallergenic, you can also do it from here on the app. It is touchscreen as well. As you can see, it's on silent mode now. I'm gonna switch it to auto just so you can hear the difference. See how it got louder? And if you want a boost, it gets really loud. And you can kind of see, the air flow moving. I'm gonna turn it down so you can hear me. It comes installed with 2 filters, and it also comes with an extra filter. You can also order extras on Amazon if you need to. This does tell you whenever it's time to switch them out, but I love how it tells you on the app, 99% good, so you're good to go. You don't need to swap them out at this moment in time. It's just really nice. It's very simple. It's not hard to use at all. A lot of apps can be quite difficult to navigate. This is straight to the point, which is great. I should also mention that this has a leather handle, which is super convenient. This is pretty sturdy. It's pretty heavy, so you need a durable handle. Also has their logo on the actual handle. But as you can see, it also has a touch screen on the actual device. So if you want to switch, from silent to auto to boost with or on the device, you can do that. You can also switch to dark mode. Turn that off. If it's nighttime, you want that light to be off. You don't like annoying lights on at night, like I don't. You can turn that off. But let's go back. Put it back on silent. Whoops. Moving too fast. I'm gonna turn this back on because I do like the light on during the day. You can also power off the device from here as well. That button, just keep swiping basically until you get where you want to be. I'm gonna leave it on silent for the remainder of the video so you can hear me speak, but it's a really nice purifier and it's the perfect height. It's not too large or anything. It's literally perfect. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have problems with allergies, I highly recommend the air purifier. Helps you sleep, helps your allergies, honestly. Pretty much anything that messes with your allergies, this will help. Pollen, ragweed, mold, anything like that. We better not have mold in this house. We just got it a year ago. But if you have any problems with that, you're in an apartment complex or something and you're concerned about the air quality, air purifier. Even if you don't get this one is pretty pricey. There are other options. Like they have the Molekule Air Mini. That one's slightly cheaper. Oh, that's the Air and Air Mini. That's why. It's like, what? It doubled the price. They have an Air Mini that's half the price of this one. So there's different options based on what you need. I just got this one because my closet is pretty large. But there's plenty of options. I'll have a link down below for you. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. I'll have a link to where you can get this in the description bar. As always, please rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything that goes live in the future. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.